So here I am at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. This is Hagrid's shack. Yeah, I don't know where everything else is. Where are the big rides? Bit of a water park, I think, over here. Oh look, we've got some RMCs over here, Rocky Mountain Construction. Joke for you coaster junkies out there. Yeah, so I'm just wandering around. This place is called, hang on. It's called the Savile Dam and the Barkhamsted Reservoir. It was completed in the year 1940. You know, shout out if you're still alive. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe to Lukey94, where this is going. Anyway, I don't know where this is going, this vlog, but I just thought I'd stop off, show you around, and stop at this beefy boy because I keep seeing it, and I really wanted to sort of just come up and kind of, you know, see it for myself in person. Yeah, man, this is cool. It's interesting that it's kind of got like an antique sort of door, and then there's just like a spotlight up there and some cameras about and stuff. So, pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. I'm not sure if I technically jaywalked to get across here, but yeah, we'll let that one slide. So yeah, stay toasty, friends, and I'll see you around. So I'm just walking back to the car now. Yeah, I was doing a time lapse just to sort of show you just how far you have to walk to kind of get to some of these places, but I got bored. And yeah, I'm kind of like getting the hang of this vlogging business. It's quite fun. So yeah, I'm going to put like a sort of montage together, I think, at the end. But yeah, let's get in the car now and let's carry on to Six Flags. Six Flags! Yeah! It's like an oven in here. Right, onward to Six Flags!
Sex and rock party starts with
Doctor, give me the news. I got a bad case of loving you.
So, I'm just about to converge with the masses. We're going to make our way into the park. It looks quite a lot busier today than it did when I first came here, but that was because it was sort of out of season. But yeah, I'm going to get me some Dippin' Dots, I think. That's definitely on the menu. And I've said to myself that with regards to Superman, because the thrills are at the back, I'm going to head, if the queues are quiet, to the front. If the queues are long, I'll head to the back for the thrills. I like to psych myself up a bit first, you know. But going straight to the back is a risky play, so get the views, get the forces sort of a little bit calmer, and then work your way to the back of the tram. That's how I like to play things. Right, we'll see you in there. So just a fun little insider tip for you all. See the tram just over here. By the time it takes to dispatch, pull up, obviously then disembark everyone, it takes just as long to walk to the park itself. Maybe shoot a vlog, let people know where you are. But yeah, little insider trick for you. Hello to this sign there, stealing my slogan. I'm the one on a coast to coast coaster crusade, thank you very much. But yeah, here goes another tram look. So they're not the fastest things in the world, but if you don't fancy doing this, you know, you've got options. Oh man, I love the fact you can see Superman just from a car park here, it's so great. Literally, as soon as you enter Agawam, Massachusetts, the border is 1,000 feet away. It's crazy, insane. But there you go, so come join me stateside. If you can't do that, subscribe to Lukey94. And time, look at that, look. Exactly the same time as it took to walk here, so skip the queues and get straight on down to the M&M stairs. Back to the old stomping ground. Let's go for some more rewrites. So here we are back at the old stomping grounds. Dipping Dots in hand. There she goes, look. All the way. 200 odd feet up there. You watch it drop. Takes a bit of a time to get up there, but it's so worth it. Yeah, definitely worth coming here to Six Flags New England. Any second now. Down they go. Awesome. So let's finish this up and let's get on the next. So just come off first ride of the day, Superman. Made some friends, got some photos, which is pretty cool. Yeah, really having a Six Flags day today, so that's good. It's the old DC Universe down there. I'm going to now do the walk back to the car park so I can get my cup, because you get unlimited refills here of soda pop. But I didn't want to get used to this stuff and then crash, because I haven't had soda for a long time, so I thought I'd try and go without. Turns out it's not possible. It took about 2 hours to get on Superman, but it was worth it, right at the back. So here we are back in the car park. First re-ride of Superman done, and I've got to admit, I had to sort of think in my mind that if I went back to places I've been to, I'd be sort of like shooting myself in the foot kind of thing, like, you know, redoing things I've already done, but that ride never ceases to amaze me. There's the tram. It's such a waste of time. I mean, like, it's ideal if you've got a family or a group, but when you're a solo traveller sort of thing, it's much better to walk. Trophy look. All the kids are leaving, which is good. It means it should be a little bit quieter, and I won't have to wait 2 hours again to re-ride Superman. Last wicked cyclone done for a few hours. 3 rides back to back. I'm going to head over back towards the DC Universe and see if Superman's quieted down a bit. Yeah. Got to admit, there's a secret credit back behind me here. Flashback, that was quite good actually. I didn't think that would be too bad. But yeah, it was good. It was quite relaxing when you go backwards down it, so as it's a boomerang coaster. Yeah, so here we go. Man, look at this place. I'm just walking down the main strip here, and I was just thinking when I last came here with Alan and Maddie, shout out to you guys. So basically we went on the Joker, that's how we met. And the Joker is this bad boy right over here. It's an S&S 4D free spin coaster, and yeah, a bit of a ball buster, but no, good fun otherwise. It's certainly one I'd recommend experiencing more for the fact that it's, you know, an attraction rather than I'll go out of your way to come and ride it for argument's sake kind of thing. It's good. The one at Great Adventure because that actually includes flips on the chain lift as you're going up. And then you've got Harley Quinn Spinsanity as well, which is pretty sick. It's right back there. There is a ride back in the not so Wild West area that I just walked past, Tomahawk, but that's nothing compared to Spinsanity. So here I am at Kidsopolis. As you can see, Superman in the background is a children's ride. Yep. Currently standing at 205 feet tall. Reaches a top speed of 77 miles an hour. Yeah. Kiddie ride. So I've just filled up my bottle of bottomless drinks for the entire year with water. To be honest, even on a day like this where it's overcast outside, it is still super, super warm. But not too warm for some chicken tendies. This place is so American, it's awesome. Check this out. Coca-Cola propaganda and stuff, pretty sweet. That water is so refreshing. You would not believe how sugary everything is out here, it's crazy. Oh look, I'm George Michael. 4:39 now. Park's open till 10. There's a 50% chance of thunder between 5 and 6, so fingers crossed they won't shut down this beefy boy, because I am going to rewrite that until 10 o'clock tonight. First ride, best ride. So I've just done my second credit of the day, which I didn't do last time I was here, and that was Catwoman's whip. Sorry, I just got distracted because I saw Superman still running. But yeah, it was quite good. It was interesting. It was intense in the sense that you get sort of flung around the seats a bit, as opposed to the actual ride, but because it's designed for kids, you sort of have to have the whole carriage to yourself. Here we go. Look at this thing. So, I just stood in the queue for Superman for a re-ride for about an hour, and I was next on, and they closed the ride because of, I think, weather. It's supposed to thunder, but it was supposed to thunder earlier and it didn't, so they said keep hope alive, it might reopen. I'm going to head to JB's Smokehouse, just up here, and maybe have some food and stick around, see if they reopen. So, fingers crossed. So unfortunately I didn't get the night ride in on Superman, but it's all well and good. Got some pictures, saw it in the dark with all the lights on and stuff. Found $20 under the seat, so that's pretty cool. I've just got back, and for some reason my offline Google Maps doesn't want to work on my new phone. So I'm reliant on the onboard voice navigation, which is really annoying. So I've got her for company for the next hour and 20 minutes. But yeah, so I'm going to head back. Might stop off at Walmart. Who knows? Maybe I'll get some snackoos. Don't know. But yeah, all in all, it was a good day. It's strange because last time I was here, I did multiple re-rides on Superman and one ride on Wicked Cyclone. And this time it was exactly the opposite. But good ride. Glad I got to experience some more RMC. I like the old Rocky Mountain coasters. Yeah, so... yeah, Rocky Mountain construction, they are good. Intamin are good though as well with Superman. But oh well, never mind. All's well that ends well. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, see you for the next one.